Welcome back to Larte Design YouTube channel, and in this video we would like to present you Larte Design's top project for the car that you also guys like the most. So we decided to update the project for BMW X6 2025 and create the new updated light package. So let's walk around and see the key upgrades. In this video, as always, I will give you a complete overview of this project. We'll talk about the front, the side and the rear view, but however, let's start this video by talking about the front view, as also it's the most that we have changed on this car. So keep watching and we show you all the details done on this light package for BMW X6. Let's get on and start talking about the front appearance of this BMW X6. Now, as you have already may noticed, we've got the massive Larte Design hood, which is a one-piece hood. Now this hood also comes from the 100% carbon fiber, however painted in the glossy black edition. Now, as you can already see, we've got a combination of two material performance options, which is the glossy black and the carbon fiber on the bottom. Now, also to mention, the hood also fits to the full Larte Design project for the X6. Now this is the light version, as we already mentioned. So as you can see, this X6 has got a new appearance on the bottom. We have developed a new design for the front splitter. Now as you can see, it looks quite lighter but still has the sportiness and aggression in its character. So as I already mentioned, this is the carbon fiber edition. However, you can decide and see what you think fits the most to your X6 and really build the upgrade the way you want to have it. But also, in addition to mention, to make this kit even more special, we've of course added a Larte Design badging on the front and the top of the hood, therefore making you truly individual. Now these are the upgrades for the front. Let me also show you the new side upgrades. So as you can see from this view, this car looks visually sportier and lower, however also wider. So if you can see, we have developed here the new design for the side wheels, and these perfectly match also with the front parts here, and as you can see, they perfectly complete the side look of this SUV. Now also on the sides, we have decided to include an extra insert here also in carbon fiber to complete the overall look, and of course here we added the Larte Design badge to complete the design of this SUV. Now these also complements perfectly with the mirror cups that we also offer in addition. As you can see, these are kept here in stock. However, we also offer the mirror cups in different material performance options. So let me show you how they look like in carbon fiber. These are the mirror cups in carbon fiber glossy finish. Now these are the M version mirror cups. However, we also offer this design in carbon fiber, so it's really something that you can choose and see if you want to go for the sportier ones or the classy ones. It is time now to also look at the rear view of this BMW X6 project. So let's first start talking about the top upgrades on this car. As you can see here, we have kept the top spoiler and the lower spoiler to highlight the sportiness of this SUV. Now, if you also have a look on the sides, we have an additional carbon fiber inserts here in order to match with the front ones, as you have already seen. And now the most important part that you have already noticed is the rear diffuser on this BMW X6. As you have seen the previous video already, you could see that there we had a complete massive transformation of the rear part. Now, as you have a closer look, you will see that this is the lighter version of the upgrade at Larte Design, where we have kept the stock bumper with the stock exhaust tips, however added some touch of exclusivity to this SUV and included these carbon fiber inserts in the bottom. So if you have a closer look, you will also see that this BMW has got the Larte Design signature brake lights. Now this is also a new design. As you have already seen on the previous video, we also offer the design for the 2 brake lines. However, for this light version, we do offer also the light version of the brake lights. Now, however, this is the light project of the BMW X6 upgrade. We still made it unique also by including the Larte design badging around the car and everywhere. So this is still a very unique and special and sporty BMW X6 in its light version. Now, also one additional moment that I would like to mention, as we have decided to also keep this car on the side light version, we have not included the Larte design forged wheels. However, these are also available at Larte design in a different variety of options that you can choose from. So if you wish to have your X6 in a special way, but still in a light, sporty note, do not hesitate and leave us a request on the website. A personal contact sales manager will get in touch with you and will guide you from the very beginning of this project to the end result, where you will feel unique and special while driving your BMW X6. So before we finish off this video, one thing that I would like to mention, and that you already have noticed yourself, we have kept this SUV practical but still added some touch of sportness. So as you can see, this SUV has got, a lot of space, so it's really practical and maybe even a family car. However, has got the elegant and sporty touch on the outside. So have a look once I'm closing off. You can see that this SUV is also practical. Even though we have adjusted and updated the rear bumper diffuser, still the functionality has been kept, as this is the main focus at Larte design, to also keep the functionality of all our projects for your cars in order for you to also feel safety while driving. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this project. Also, let us know which project you actually enjoyed the most, whether it was the light version or the full body kit for your X6 in the previous video. So we are looking to receive your feedback, and as I already mentioned, these parts are also available individually. So if you would like to build the upgrade the way you want, it's also possible either in the glossy black finish or in the carbon fiber finish, and also make you feel special. Thank you for watching it. If you are interested, leave us the request on the website and we will be happy to get in touch with you.